In this video, I'm going to show you how to find nursing articles in the database CINAHL. CINAHL is a great database to use to find medical information generally, but I'm going to share some tips on how to find articles specifically within the nursing field. To begin, go to the library homepage, scroll down to the Library Resources section, and then click on the icon that says Databases. Once you're on the databases list, you can either use the subjects menu to just show the nursing databases, or you can click on the letter C and then on the link for CINAHL Plus with full text. Once you're on the database landing page, you can put in the keywords for your topic. When using keywords, it's a good idea to try different terms and combinations. For example, NICU and Neonatal Intensive Care Unit will often produce different results in the databases, even though they mean the same thing. The database autocomplete will also suggest strings of keywords to try, which you can ignore or use based on your preference. For now, I'm going to type in NICU and kangaroo care, and then click search. On the results page, it's a good idea to use the limiters on the left of the page to make your results match your assignment requirements. For example, you can use the date limiter to only show results published within a certain time period, such as the last 5 years. To do this, type in the earliest date you want to see, and then hit the Enter key to set that date range. If you're working close to your deadline, you can also use the full text limiter to just show articles that you can read the full text of right now. Sometimes it's a good idea to not use this limiter because it will show you articles that you can request for free via interlibrary loan, but if you don't have time to wait for a copy to come in from another library, the full text limiter is useful. If you're looking for an article from a nursing journal specifically, you can use one of the search boxes at the top to type in nursing, and then use the drop-down menu to select SO publication name. This will limit your search results to just show articles from journals that have the word nursing in the title, which will help remove articles that focus on the points of view of other medical professions, such as surgeons or specialists. Once you've typed in nursing and set the drop-down menu to SO publication name, click Search to set it. To get more information about an article, you can click on the title. If you're looking specifically for a qualitative or quantitative article, take a close look at the article summary within the abstract section of the page. A quantitative article will present its findings as numbers, for example, distributing surveys and reporting what percentage of people had success with the treatment. Qualitative articles will focus more on people's experiences and will use methods like interviews or observations. For example, in this abstract, I'm not seeing very many numbers that would report a numerical result, and I'm seeing that they performed interviews, which would likely make this a qualitative article. Qualitative articles are usually a bit harder to find, but you can always reach out to the reference and instruction librarian for help if you have trouble. If you're having trouble finding articles that are available in full text, you can also look at articles that aren't available in full text and request them through interlibrary loan. To show you how to do that, I'm going to remove the full text limiter on the left. Interlibrary loan is a free process where you can request a copy of an article from another library. Once the article comes in, you'll receive an email with a PDF of the article that you can keep, though it does take a few days for the article to be delivered, so make sure you request it well ahead of your due date. To place an interlibrary loan request in CINAHL, you can click on this 360 link to full text on the results page or on the article summary page. On this page, There will either be a link to the article in a different database or a link under the Still Need Help section that says Submit a Request. All you need to do is click Submit a Request and then fill in your information here at the top of the page where it says Patron Name, then scroll down to the bottom of the page and submit the form. The database has already filled in the article information, so you just need to hit Submit. If you have any questions about using this database, or if you want to schedule a research appointment to work with a librarian, please contact the library.